Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a smart link for your Instagram profile using OpentoApp and add it to your YouTube channel's social links. This smart link will open directly in the Instagram app when clicked, instead of in a browser. Let's get started. First, let's grab our Instagram profile link. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Click on the Share Profile button. Then, select Copy Link to copy your Instagram profile link. Now, let's go to OpentoApp to create a smart link for our Instagram profile. Open a browser and go to OpentoApp.com. Click on the Create Link button on the homepage. Paste the Instagram profile link that you just copied into the link box. Enter the CAPTCHA code displayed on the screen to verify. Then, click on Create Link and wait a moment while OpentoApp generates your direct Instagram app opener link. Now that we have our smart link, let's add it to the social links on our YouTube channel and test it out. Open your YouTube app. Once opened now, click on your YouTube profile icon. After that, click on channel name. Then click on description. As you can see in the links section, we already added our smart link. Now when someone clicks on this Instagram link from your YouTube channel, it will open directly in the Instagram app, giving them quick access to your profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out OpentoApp.com to create smart links for other apps too. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your social media experience.